All right, welcome. Andrew Rains with Apex Pro here. We're looking at a speed trace from Canadian Tire Motorsports Park, or more commonly known as Mosport. And what we're looking for on a speed trace here, we just want to very quickly identify a few things. Obviously, this is speed here on the axis on the left, and then the bottom axis here, the x-axis, is going to be distance over the course of the lap. So it's speed versus distance. We call this a speed trace. Now, the first thing we want to point out is that on this track, there's really only one corner where our apex speed with this driver in this car is below 60 miles an hour. Corners below 60 miles an hour usually appear to be a V shape like this. All right, now corners above 60 miles per hour minimum speed appear with a U shape. Okay, so that's how we can identify very quickly where this is on the track. So this is the hairpin before the long back straightaway there in Mosport. All right, then this is the really, really high speed turn 8, and then all the way down to turn 10 leading onto the front straightaway. Okay, so now we have that easy point of reference. That's the best way to identify your speed trace, is to find that slow point on the lap or slower points, or maybe that long straightaway where we're accelerating for a long time. All right, so a nice V looking shape for that slow speed corner. The rest of these are nice U shapes. We could then overlay multiple speed traces, maybe some data from another driver, and get more insight. That's just a very, very quick way to look at our speed trace and understand what we're looking at.